What is going on, YouTube? We are back at you with another video. Today is Snacking Saturday, and we got 11 snacks to try. And some of them look very good, so... Kylie,
Hey
Dad,
guys.
professional ratings, here we go. It's going to be a good show. Before we start, though, I need to fix the camera. That's better. Okay. First, and by the way, we actually know what country it's from. Last video I didn't put it on there. I apologize for that. But the first thing we're going to try is the Lay's Crispy Taco. And this is from the USA.
These look good.
And I like tacos, so...
I don't, but like, I like crispy chicken.
May have to add a little hot sauce.
Oh, they smell like a taco.
May have to
Smell it.
put a little hot sauce on.
Okay, that's fine.
Smell like taco.
Make a taco out of them. Put some Diablo.
That is a taco.
Just about what it says. You
Really
like
just
tacos?
taco.
You'll like them too.
Tastes like tacos.
I'll give them a good solid 8.
That's what I was going to say. I'm sure Kylie don't like it.
Good solid 8.
A 6.
Like a taco.
6.
Yeah, because I'm not a big fan of normal tacos. I like Doritos more.
Understandable, I guess. Okay. This is the Breams Zesty Ranch Flavored Rings from the USA.
What kind of groceries you got in this bag?
Gosh. They all have a smell to it.
Yeah, that's good.
That smell
Find out right
smells so familiar.
There's
Ranch, probably.
Okay.
It's not bad.
Tastes like normal sour cream chips.
I'll give another 8. I like both of them.
8.
I'm getting that night as well.
Pretty solid 8 already.
We all had an 8 on that one.
Can't beat that.
I liked it.
Except for 2 solid 10.
It won't close though. Okay. This next one is the Bamba Peanut Puffs from the USA as well. Peanut Puffs.
Those look like those chicken fries my mom makes all the time.
They smell like peanut butter.
I do.
Yes, they are peanut puffs.
No.
My bad.
Tastes like a peanut. I'm gonna give that a 7, just a little bit lower than the other 2.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Though.
I wish it had more of a peanut butter taste.
That's what I was hoping it had too. I don't really. To me, it didn't really feel like it had a flavor, but it might be because we ate those chips too.
I think it looks like the camera is very dark. I hope it ain't dark on your own side. If so, I apologize. Okay. What is next? The Iowa Smokehouse, my bad. Spicy jalapeno beef jerky from the USA. Whew, okay. Some
hot beef
jalapeno jerky. Probably is. See if you can open it.
We may have to all get a water.
Yeah, I got one.
It might burn us all up, you know. I got
Jalapeno.
Smallest piece of.
Huh?
The smallest piece ever.
You gotta eat it all, too.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Hope you just right. At least the next
There you go.
That's the main thing.
Give you a good old
At
piece.
least it
Burn you up, son. You can taste the jalapeno. I bet you if you ate this whole thing, it'd burn you up. I can tell it's hot.
Yeah, one piece burned me up already.
I can tell it's hot. It has a good taste. It's harder than far though.
It'll probably give me a heartburn. I probably won't eat a whole lot of them. I'm gonna give it 7.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with 6.
Well, I'm gonna give it like an 8.
Because I don't like spicy food. Well, I do some, but like not that.
I got the heartburn coming on.
I'm giving it an 8. Good 8. It is hot though.
I would die if I ate that.
I'm tempted to make a video, see how fast I can eat the whole thing, and then post it on YouTube. Without water.
See how long he can wait before he drinks a drink of water.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, what's next? We got the Brax Scrambled Tiny Jelly Beans. These are from the USA as well. There is like literally 24 flavors in this.
Raspberry and blueberry.
So it's going to be...
Pink one's good.
Who knows what flavor we'll get. Hopefully you can tell.
We went from chip to
Give me
peanut,
that blue one.
a hot jalapeno.
That red one.
Now they're going to sugar us up with jelly bean. We knock some of that burn out.
There you go.
Alright. See what flavors they are. See what flavor you got.
I got blueberry and I think it's cherry or strawberry.
This one I think is caramel apple.
Mine's cherry. And it was good.
Mine's caramel apple.
Cherry's good.
I give this all day.
What's the white ones? That's coconut. I want to try... Oh! Coffee. I gotta try this one. That's coffee, alright. I like these jelly beans.
The blueberry tastes good too. Tastes like actual.
If you ate every single one of these jelly beans, you know how much sugar's in it? Take a guess. Every one of them, how much sugar's in it?
Probably about 20 grams.
What's yours?
50.
60.
Oh,
I was close.
a lot more than what I thought.
That's a lot of sugar in that if you ate that whole thing. Okay. This next thing is, my bad. The Sweet Tarts Soft plus Chewy Ropes Twisted Rainbow Punch. This is the product of Mexico. And it says new, so they must be a new flavor.
Ooh, this is cute.
We gotta lose.
I like it.
Pretty like them good.
Tastes like a fruit roll up.
Gold.
Okay. I got plum for sugar, but I like them.
Hell yes.
I'll give that a good 9.
8.5.
I like it.
I'm gonna give it an 8.
8.5 for me.
Just
Okay.
reminds me of a.
I think that jalapeno, like, literally tore something in my cheek, because now it hurts. Okay, anyways. We're getting down to some chocolate. And this is the Lindt Bugs plus Bees milk chocolate with hazelnut and crisp filling. From Germany. Oh gosh, you know it's good. From Germany. Okay. And then you hear hazelnut and Germany. Gosh. It's probably... Well, it's one of these things. We're going to have to eat.
It's just about like, don't even have to try it, give it 10.
You want to just not try it?
No.
Oh, okay. I thought it was...
Oh, I got
These individual wraps here will have to
Oh, okay.
unwrap your own.
I think it's going to be good. They have little designs on them, too. Okay. I like it. Alright.
I want more eat now, but I figure it will now. It's pretty good.
That might be a 10. I'm giving it a 10.
I'm going to give it a 10. It's a good one.
Real question is, what are you giving?
Yeah, it's real good.
chocolate. Not picky, but I'm giving it a 6. Only because I don't like
Brown
chocolate.
taste buds.
If they remember that, yeah. If you don't give this one a good rating, because you love Kit Kats, there's something wrong with this
I
one.
don't know if this tastes like that Bang did that you did today.
Kit Kat birthday cake from the USA. I've been wanting to try this ever since we got it like a week ago. And I just gotta say, we're gonna find out real quick.
Let's see, the lemon ones weren't that good, so hopefully these are.
You like them?
I didn't like the lemon ones. You did.
Okay. I like it.
I'm gonna give it a good solid 9.
It tastes literally like a normal Kit Kat.
No.
I swear it does.
No.
Well, for some reason, I like it.
I give it a 9,
I give it a solid 9.
but it's not as good as that thing. Lord, that's good.
I'm gonna give it a 10. I love Kit Kats.
10.
I love Kit Kats. Doesn't taste like a Kit Kat.
Off on 10.
At least it's birthday cake. Maybe it'll make her breath smell good. I'm joking. I had to roast you a little bit. Love you.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
Okay, this next thing is the Cookies and Cream Oreo Chocolate Candy Bar from the USA.
We're gonna find one here in a minute we all gonna agree on.
I don't know. If this one ain't it, then we probably ain't gonna find
We'll
one.
find one.
If this ain't it, we ain't.
We'll find one. I believe we all agreed on one of them chips for ago. I believe it. I said they didn't. I
We
think
did
so.
agree on one, yeah.
I think we did.
We did.
If she ain't gonna agree on this one, she don't like Oreos.
Yeah, but you can really taste the Oreo. It's one of the cream in it.
I'm gonna give that a good solid 8.
I'm giving it a
Pretty good.
I think I'm gonna give it 8.5.
8.5.
It's
a
good.
solid one. So it's that close to a half.
Now this I'm not gonna like. I don't drink pop. I do not drink pop. It's been 2 years or 2+ years. The Kit Kat CocaCola,
Oh, I'm
Made in Canada.
Like a Mountain Dew.
made in Canada.
You like Coke, you like him. I'm gonna taste dirty like Coke.
This don't count towards my record of 2 years. I'm just saying. Don't count. It literally says Coke on it.
Here. Here's your Coke for the day. Have a Coke and
Remember
a
the first
smile.
time you came over to my house, my mom tried to offer you pop.
Yeah.
First time you came
Like,
over to
no.
my house, my mom tried to make him drink a pop. She was like, "Why don't you want a pop?" She goes, "You don't need a starter yourself."
When you bite into it,
Now that is Coke.
when you bite it, it's like a Coke right in your mouth.
Like, that's Coke. Did you bite it?
I don't know, but it's melting.
No, bite it.
I don't want to.
Bite it. Hurry.
I'm gonna give it like a 6.5.
About a 4 or 5.
I'll give
That
it a
tastes
6.5.
really weird with my Mountain Dew. Like extreme.
I'll give it a 6.5.
I give it a 5, but I don't like pop. So
Oh my gosh.
now I don't know. Okay, this is gum. So it's a good thing we're finishing off with it. It's the Trident Vibes Tropical Beet Sugar-Free Gum. That's a plus sign to this video. Sugar-free. Okay.
That's the only thing that's gonna save us.
This saved it right here.
Oh, sugar in there again. They're not gonna matter about that one.
I thought that was like gum.
It is.
Oh. I don't
Sugar-free gum. Ooh, I like it. Okay. I get the tropical feels with it. This takes me to a happy place or something. It's good.
know. It's a little bit cooling.
It says Trident
I'll give it a
Vibes.
7. I'll give it a 7.
I'm giving that sucker like an 8.5.
I'm giving it a 7. I mean, it just.
That first taste, it shocked me.
I'll give it a 7.
Shocker. Well, that's all of them. All in all, it's pretty good. Definitely going with that for my favorite.
Yeah.
Kit Kat.
What was your favorite? Oh yeah, Kit Kat.
Yeah, I'm eating that
Chips.
afterwards.
Chips. There's all kind of. These two was basically. I gave them the same rating, but I don't know which one I'd rather eat. Like if I was eating something, maybe the taco. I'm seriously thinking about making a video with this. It might be tomorrow or something. Eating all this, see how long it takes.
What's that thing in it?
You know what?
Just
I believe you get some of that Diablo and dip just a little bit on each one of them, it'd be just like a taco.
Lord, that'd burn you up.
I mean, I put much, just a little bit.
Y'all look hot. Okay. Anyways,
Yeah.
guys, that's the end of the video. We tried it all. There's 11 snacks. We hope you stayed at the end, till the end. And if you did, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. God loves you. We all love you. We hope you have a good rest of your day. Stay safe.
Away my sin. Can't make me whole again.